Welcome back! Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cook vegan mushrooms rice with rice cooker. Hope you like it. This recipe is meatless and suitable for vegetarian too. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Every bite's with mouthful of mushrooms, yummy delicious. Ingredients: shimeji mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, rice, ginger. Rice wash and set aside. Wipe the surface of the hongsy mushroom with a paper towel. Remove the roots and tear them into small pieces. Wash and cubes shiitake mushrooms. Chopped ginger. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add shiitake mushroom and shimeji mushroom until release flavor. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. You can add more salt because the rice will absorb the saltiness. After frying, add a tablespoon of vegetarian spicy sauce. Those who like strong flavors can adjust the amount themselves. Add rice and stir fry. Add black soy sauce to add color. into rice cooker inner pan. Add 1 cup of water to 1 cup of rice. Let's cook rice now. I remembered there were some vegetables in the fridge, so I cut them up and plan to add them in later. Add vegetables and cook together before the rice is done. Rice and vegetables are both cooked. It's so convenient. Mix evenly and ready to eat. The smell of this mixed mushroom stewed rice fills the house when it's cooking, and I feel hungry. This stewed rice is very delicious, with a rich mushroom flavor and a slightly spicy taste. I think it is not spicy and should be suitable for most friends. Of course, friends who like spicy food can increase the amount of spicy sauce themselves. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.